Happy Tuesday. Come and have a look, everybody. Sharon has cleaned all our spares department up. So if you need any catering spares, all right, just come round. Let's have a look. So we have hoses here. These are really good prices. So commercial gas hoses. Flexis, we sell this by the meter. So all the flexis that are required for your bits and pieces. Well done, Sharon. And then we do a budget hose as well. Well, it's not a budget hose. It's made in the UK, these ones. Caterkwik. Caterkwik spelt slightly different to us. So we do all those. If you need any fittings, this is bottle cooler spare parts. Plumbing stuff. Black iron, galvanized, whatever size you need. Let's just go down each of these. So we do sell a lot of Falcon Dominators, the casters that go on Falcon Dominators. This is bottle cooler, LED lights, all your replacement stuff. So whatever we sell, we carry spares for it. So that's very important to me. Interlocking panels. So again, they always break on a weekend. Keep going. Pipe work, have a look at the pipe work. So if you need any pipe work, we've got lots of pipe work in stock. Electrolux, all down here. All our parts for our warewashing. So we carry everything you need for the warewashing. Let's have a look at this side. Water boilers, Cater Brew. Let's go down. Ice machines, all our ice machine components here. So we've got spare scoops, paddle motors, they're pretty regular. What else is regular on these things? Boards, solenoid valves. Let's have a look at this side. Warewashing, so our jolly IME stuff. So we go from the old IME stuff, electromechanical. So rinse aid, jets here. Just check that as it's not the tube going into this, because sometimes so many people replace this and it's actually the block tube from the wash pump. All the hoses you need, wash motors, refrigeration stuff. Let's keep going out there. So it's all available next day delivery. All these shelves and clips for your bottle coolers, all needed there. Washing machine stuff, Cater Wash. Not so many. We have quite a lot of this, and it's kind of it's in various different places. But waste pumps, waste filter springs for the washer. Door seals, you go through loads of them, all that sort of thing. A general plumbing section, so we do hoses, red hoses and blue hoses, food safe hoses. Where's the food safe hoses, Sharon? You haven't found them. They're on the way, because so many people put combi ovens and stuff on these hoses, and annoys me, and water boilers annoys me as well. So if you get a rubbery taste on a water boiler, normally because you've put a washing machine hose on it, you need to put a food safe hose in it. General sort of mechanical stuff for keeping our wagons on the road. Bit of gas stuff for the barbecues, and then back into the warehouse. So let's just have a quick look through. Let me show you the toolboxes. So Sharon with this. There we go. Everybody's running away because they don't want to be on camera.
Oh, yeah, run away.
Installation boxes. So basically we have Luton vans. So we carry installation boxes. So they carry everything you need to know that we need to get on installation. We do a lot of Electrolux stuff. So Electrolux box is that one. We do a lot of washing machine boxes. So all these get circulated and changed over. So I'm going to show you a little bit more detail by the end of the week what's carried in our vans. So hopefully when we get to you, we can fix it straight away. So Any questions you've got on spare parts, any questions you've got on fixing things, installation, etc., by all means give the office a ring. Thank you for listening.